Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are jumping into fall. As you can see, we did a nice chocolate lip, plummy, berry looking blush and eye look. I went to Sephora and Ulta and I made a very big purchase with a ton of new products, and I was just having a field day in today's video. We have so much fun trying on all this new stuff. I feel like a kid in a candy shop. My vanity is actually disgusting, like so messy. But anyway, needless to say, I had so much fun making this video for you guys. I love these like try on haul, first impression videos. I know last video was supposed to be similar to this, but it really didn't turn out to be that. So I felt like I had to kind of redo it, and I had a reason to because I have so many new things to show you guys, more than last video. So, and then we have like some other stuff from PR that came in, so I figured I could just put it all together and do my makeup. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We are like 10,000 or like 9,000 away from 100K, and I really would love to get that plaque at some point before the end of the year. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It would do so much for me. It's just like good karma, you know? So thank you guys, and let's just jump right into the video. Have I used this with you guys? This is the MAC Studio Radiance Moisturizing and Illuminating Primer. I really like this, and I like that it's not like super tacky. It goes on, puts a lot of glow on the face, and the smell is like really nostalgic. For some reason, it's giving like middle school, high school days. If you like radiant, dewy looking primers and just want your skin to look not oily, this is really nice. It's very silky, and it just really primes your face for like any other base products as well. Also, I just got this too, part of the Sephora haul. I'm not gonna apply it now because I already have like my primer on, but it's the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Brightening Eye Gel Cream. I'm very picky about eye creams because I am prone to getting like milia bumps underneath my eyes. I'm always looking for something more on the thin side, and this is new to Sephora too, and it's like super thin, like I don't know if you guys could see, but it feels almost like a serum going on, and it really just hydrates underneath there, but it just doesn't feel thick. So I'm testing it out. So far I like it, but you know, I just hope it doesn't give me any kind of milia bumps because that's always annoying. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter in number 5. I know this is not a new product, but I just wanna start with this because especially if I'm gonna do like a full face of makeup, but I don't wanna do foundation, I'll use this. Also, this setup is so much nicer. You guys know like my vanity used to be back there, but I actually swapped sides and put it over here, and I'm really liking it because I got a new, not a new vanity, but it's essentially a desk, but it has drawers, so I have a little bit more storage space, even though I have like a literal 3-tier trolley next to me. And next up, we're gonna go in with the Smashbox Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. Still confused because I thought Becca is no longer, I guess it's not its own brand, I guess it's owned by Smashbox, or did they just collab? I don't know. This looks so nice, if I can open it. So nice. I don't know if you guys can see how this is going to totally, hopefully correct underneath my eyes, but just, oh, it's so smooth and yummy. So I'm gonna take it on a brush like this, and I don't know how much I'm gonna use, but it's super creamy. And maybe I should just use my fingers, I don't know. But hopefully this helps to correct the color, which is like all over my eye. I don't know why, but I don't get darkness just like right underneath. I get it like all over. Like, can you see? Like right here. It's just all dark, so. Also, random factoid, I am turning, it's my birthday in like a few days, and I'm kind of going through it right now, like very different chapter in my life, which I don't really want to get into, but you guys could probably guess what's going on in my life. But I am just like not okay, and I don't know why, but I just don't want to celebrate my birthday. I feel like I'm just not in the mood, and I've never been big on my birthdays, but I feel like it's going to spotlight in my mind and make me think more about my situation and people that I wish were here celebrating with me, but I don't have that right now. So I'm just like in a different stage in my life, and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like not okay, but like I'm okay. Like I'm obviously like fine, but it sucks. Like this stuff is not fun, and I haven't been in a situation like this in a really long time. I also like am very well aware that I'm not saying what it is, because I think I'm also just like a little in denial. Also this corrector is giving me all the corrector I need right now. Like, look at this, so brightening too, and I love that it's like illuminating, so it really helps with just bringing more attention, like reflecting brightness on the eyes, right? Let's go in with a bronzer. I have like 3 cream products right here. Also, like, how am I just going from talking about something very dark and sad for me to just being like, here we go. I noticed that when I don't know, this is like therapeutic for me. But anyway, I got this Mario Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick. I don't know how I haven't tried this yet. It's the medium dark shade. Apparently this is for contouring, but I'm more into like warmth and bronzer. But this color is very pretty, and I really want to try it. And then also Merit just came out with this. It's the, oh, this is a highlighting balm. Did I not buy the, oh, okay, cool. And then I have this. So I think on one side of my face, we're gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury, and then on the other, we're gonna use the Soft Sculpt. I don't know, do people usually like put their brush to this? Probably. This is the Cheek Soft Sculpting Brush for cream and liquid contour. And it says for cheeks, and this is what it looks like. It's warming up my skin. We're just gonna warm up the skin, and then we'll go in with more concealer afterwards just to kind of clean it all up. Oh, I really like this. It's super like really thin, like it blends really well. This looks more like skin, a hue of bronze, which I like. Okay, we're gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury cream bronzer. This one is in medium 2, and this is what it looks like. This thing was expensive. This is, I feel like this is more matte, but also I love the color. Which one do I like more? This is hard. Yeah, this is more bronzy. This is still bronzy, but I like that it's not matte though. That's what I'm into, is like, I just don't want a cream contour that's super matte. And this isn't matte, it's very skin-like, the Charlotte Tilbury one. So which one do you guys like? Do you feel like this is nicer? This one's more sculpting, but I like the color of this. Also this brush, I didn't even talk about this brush. I like the size of it too. It like goes right into the hollows like perfectly. This brush is great. Hold on, my nose is running. Okay, I can't like rub my nose. I have makeup on, so I just have to like stick the thing in my nose for a second. I have 2 concealers. This is the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer, and this is an 8.5. I used this same concealer. I just realized I meant to buy 8, not 8.5. Okay. And then I got the Kosas concealer because I have it in 6. But I wanted to get one a little bit darker just because this one is rather light, this one, and so I wanted to get one just to kind of like layer. So I think we're gonna do the same thing again, one on one side, one on the other side. So this is the concealer from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm gonna use this. This is the Real Techniques Set and Bake for loose and pressed powders. Oh, I didn't realize this is for pressed powders, but it's like a duo brush. See, it's like thin and then big one. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna use my hourglass brush and just blend this out. So in my last video, I used this one, the same concealer, and I felt like it was very full coverage, or sorry, medium to full coverage. And this is definitely like the right shade for me. The other one they sent was way too light. And on the side of my nose, I'm gonna carve this just a little because I feel like it's very easy to get messy with bronzer, you know, so. Next, let's use the Kosas in 6.5. You guys have seen me use this product a lot, but I just want to use this shade and see if this is a better shade. Kosas one is more sheer to medium, and I gravitate towards this one a lot just because it's more wearable every day because you can really sheer it out, but I love how hydrating it is. It definitely makes your skin look so nice and hydrated. The shade. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of this guy just to brighten. Same powder, haven't changed powders because I'm scared. Okay, I would use my little puff, but I literally just dumped this into my thing. I don't want to waste it. I have the Rose Quartz House Labs by Lady Gaga. This is supposed to be really nice. Honestly, I don't know. I saw it on TikTok. People were raving about it and they said it was like sold out everywhere. But I went to my Sephora and I saw it and I was like, oh, okay, I'll just try it. I think we need to use a cream first. I just like can't. Like I feel like I need to put something else under my thing. Okay, so maybe we'll do this. I'm gonna use this one. We'll use Oh She's Different from Patrick Ta. It's like a very plummy shade on the lid. This is like a really pretty fall color. Then we're gonna go in with this. This is the House Labs Rose Quartz thing I was just talking about, but I just wanted to put something on underneath it because I want it to just stick really well. And I would not, ooh, I like what it's doing. It's giving a little bit more of a pop. Oh my gosh, wow. I'm gonna put some of this in my eyes because I feel like it just, doesn't that look so pretty? Oh my gosh, cute. Okay, I love this. I love this. Like putting the powder color all over my lids, which I usually don't do. I usually just like kind of put it right at the crease, but I kind of want to do a little bit more of like a fall berry color. I'm gonna use this, the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk powder in 8. I'm gonna put some of this in the crease just to blend it all together. Oh, and then I have this Merit Day Glow Highlighting Balm. I saw this and I tried it out. It looked so pretty. It's in the shade Bounce. I like that I can warm this up on my finger. And then just... I'm gonna use the Kosas Clear Brow Gel. Also another one of those things that I'm like kind of getting over is my brow products. Like, I don't know what it is, but I just am. We're gonna use this. This is the Sills Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base. Never really used the eyelash primer. My sister swears by an eyelash primer, but like I always felt them kind of to be a little gimmicky. The brush is like really soft. I don't know if I showed you guys this product, but I am loving this. This reminds me so much of my Ilia mascara that I absolutely die over. But this is so good at separating. This is the Tower 28 mascara and it's so lengthening. Like for me, I'm more about length than volume, but like look at this. But also I have like the lash primer on, so maybe that is doing something as well. But this product like lengthens. Okay, I do feel like that eyelash primer is starting to make my lashes look very thick. It's definitely building. Like, do you guys see how it's getting like thicker on each lash? That's the lash primer. Because when I use this product on its own, it doesn't do that. It just lengthens. This is starting to like clump together, and I think that's to create more volume. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if I need that primer in my life, but I don't like that this primer is making it like thicker. But do you guys see like how long my lashes are? It's not doing it justice because this fucking primer just ruined my life. I'm gonna use this, the Lip Cheat from Charlotte Tilbury. It's in Foxy Brown. I look scary. I apologize. I was at Ulta and I saw these and I was like, wait, why have I never seen these in my life? Okay, so I have one in Ginger and one in Clo Money. I wanted to get like more brownie colors because this one looks nice for fall. But this one's also pretty. Ginger looks really nice. Formulas are really good with these. If you guys have never tried these, wow. I forgot. Like, did she ever reformulate? Also, like, I need to do something. My lips just, hold on. I'm gonna layer it with one of these glosses that I have here. I have Cashew, Pistachio, and Almond. I'm gonna use Almond because this looks more like a brownie shade. Go back in with more blush. You guessed it. Ooh, I do have this Jaclyn palette. It's the Brightening and Setting palette in medium, and this is what it looks like. It has like all these brightening shades. Oh wow, it really is brightening. Holy shit. So I'm using the shade, I don't even know, Almond. This one right here. I love all these. So like throughout the year, this will be perfect. Oh my god, I love this. Do I need to do like eyeliner? I have this Lancome one. It has like a smudger. This is the Stylo waterproof. Which hopefully this means it's not gonna move because I cannot stand eyeliners. Pencil liners that I use, they do not stay, or they smudge, or they transfer, and I'm like just not having that. Okay, so I just took some of this and I put it right on the inner thirds. See how it's like lighter and then goes maroonish? Okay, I think I need to stop before I go a little too overboard. Alrighty guys, so that completes today's look. I hope you enjoyed trying these products with me. These are by far my favorite videos to film because it's so exciting when you get like new products and like you get to try things, and I always enjoy that, especially as a consumer of these videos. These are my favorite to watch as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. A lot of them got my stamp of approval except for that primer for my mascara. I didn't really like that, to be honest. But other than that, I hope you guys almost broke my neck. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!